How's it everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In a previous video I made these modular tote racks that can be put together to be a workbench as well. And in this video I wanted to make a tote rack that could also be used as a miter saw station. I made a few minor adjustments to the original tote rack, keeping the miter station consistent with the overall design. First I'll start with measuring and cutting my wood. I'll leave a cut list in the description so you can reference it later. The frame of the miter station is going to be slightly shorter, so I made sure to get the length of only the 2x4 and to not add the thickness of the top of the original tote rack. My miter saw station would end up being too high and the wood would not sit flush with the rest of the tote racks. For this miter saw station I used the same material that I used to make the tote racks, 2x4s and 2x2s, attaching everything with wood glue and 2.5-inch wood screws. After cutting my wood, I'm going to go ahead and assemble the frame of the miter saw station. After building the frames of the miter saw station, I'm going to connect them together using 2x2s. Now I'm going to install 2.5-inch casters to the bottom of the miter saw station. I'm using an oil-based stain to help waterproof the miter saw station. I'm also going to apply this waterproof sealant just for added protection. After a couple hours, the sealant is dry and I can go ahead and install the top of the miter saw station. I'm going to drill pilot holes and then countersink holes so that the screws are flush with the tabletop. And there you have it, super quick and easy, real space saving design. I have it tucked away on the side of my house in this narrow walkway, so this design is perfect for what I need. Thanks again for watching the video. Drop the hammer on that like button if you liked what you saw. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Until next time, mahalo and aloha.